Assalamu alaikum everyone. Very slow, but surely the progress is there. And once again, help me to get to 100K. Of course, I'm going to say this in all the video now, because why not? Things are getting very interesting in 2024. I've been talking about bringing the bulls back, and I've been bringing the bulls back a little bit. You can see it made a lot of effect. I started saying this back in September, and you didn't believe it when I was saying it. But now look at it. The market is pretty crazy out there. So Pepe is also crazy, but at this point, we've seen Pepe taking a little bit of a break from its push previously. And as far as I'm concerned, the bull flag is still there and the technical target is still up here. Now, nothing has changed from what I said yesterday, and things still remain the same. If I have to give you a summary, all I said is that you have a flag, but in order to get to this technical target, you need to break above that resistance. If you break above this resistance, you're pretty much going to come up to 17,000 or even 20,000. What I want to check is the weekly and how the weekly is progressing. Now, there is a doji, and you can see that last week you ended up making a doji. And this doji, well, can it be a problem or not? I don't know, because doji is a decisive candle. And let's say you start to go below the doji, which is actually below the flag itself. So what I'm going to say is, if you come down to 10,059 and close below 10,059, I'm going to repeat this. If you come down to 10,059 and close below, so it's not just coming and wicking down to that price, but actually closing below that price and being rejected at that price, then you might come down to this demand box, this yellow box that I have right there. Okay, so I'm just going to stretch it out once again, and that's the yellow box. So you may be looking to come down again to 8,000. That's the level they're going to come down to, because dojis are meant to be decisive. And if you look at this one red doji right there, can actually push it up, and you do have a flag here, by the way, and that's my personal preference. I do believe and I do think that you're looking for another push to the upside. It's just that how the market is looking and how Bitcoin is looking, and the fact that you still have a stop loss here going on this wick is another reason why I do believe you're looking for a push to the upside and take the wick. Now, it's a different thing if you really take the wick and also come down. That's another very, very different topic. But I personally want to see this wick being taken out, this trend line being broken, and then you probably push up to that technical target. We still have to see this happening. It hasn't really happened, so don't even get excited just yet. But you have to keep your eyes on the market and how the market really behaves. So yeah, if you do come down, take this out and close below like this, then that's it. You come down here, and this is your next support right there because of this previous resistance that you broke above. Maybe just come down, hold it again, and then finally come like this, and then finally push up, even break above, and then even go to the upside. So that's the first scenario. The secondly is the daily, and you still have a bull cross, and I'm going to dive into 4-hour time frame and check the 4-hour time frame as well. So yes, let's actually see how the 4-hour time frame really looks like. So you do see that there is an extended flag right now. So here we go, and you got this first touch, the second touch, and the third touch. You got this support here, one fake out, and then move to the upside. So let's extend this flag itself, and let's see how long is it going to take until you don't come up with a decision. So you're pretty much stretching the time until 11 to 12, and today I don't know what the date really is, but I'm pretty sure in the next 3 to 5 days, it shouldn't take any more than 3 to 5 days to actually get an answer. So if you really want to push up, come like this, break out, and then boom, take that stop loss, go above, and then we're going to see if you do get rejected here or break above it and then continue higher. And that's it for this update, and I'm going to the next one. Allah Hafiz.